So if you have an equation like this and you're trying to look for the slope and the y-intercept, you must remember the y-intercept form equation, which is y equals mx plus b. And here the slope is indicated by the m, and it's whatever's in front of the x. That's our slope. And the b is our y-intercept. So we want this equation looking a lot like this equation over here. So going back over here, we're going to try to isolate this y. And the first thing we're going to do is bring this 9x over to this side. So to do that, we're going to subtract 9x on both sides so that this cancels out and it's no longer on this side. And rewriting it, it will look like this. It will be negative 5y equals negative 9x plus 27. Now, we want to try to isolate this y by itself by getting rid of this negative 5 that's in front of it. To do that, we're going to divide both sides by negative 5 in order to isolate this y. So, rewriting it, it'll be y, because negative 5 cancels out. Y equals negative into a negative is a positive, so it's 9 over 5x. And a negative into a positive is a negative, and 27 divided by 5 is 5.4. So now we can clearly see what's our slope and what's our y-intercept. And our slope, as indicated by m, is 9 over 5 because it's whatever's in front of the x. And our y-intercept is 0 because in y-intercept x is always 0. And negative 5.4, and that's our y. And now we've found our slope and our y-intercept.